I got too many things going on here. I got to talk, drink Gatorade, and get a guitar. Hold on. I'm old. I can handle one thing at once. Man, there's a lot of fucking Godz shirts out there tonight. Jesus. I don't even have one. No, wham, right? Wham. A lot of old friends out there. Ronnie Hughes, ex-Godz alumni. We went to Amsterdam together. Had them all. Hell of a time to go to Amsterdam while you've been sober for a month. You know? It's like some cruel joke. And Irish and Patty all the way from Columbus. Woohoo! Cool cat songs. Never mind.